Title: The Lifestyle of the Earl of Mayo. Scene opens in a grand 19th-century English estate. The Earl of Mayo, dressed in fine aristocratic attire, walks through the halls of his lavish mansion. Narrator: The Earl of Mayo, a distinguished nobleman of the 19th century, lived a life of luxury, duty, and influence. As a member of the British aristocracy, his days were filled with estate management, political responsibilities, and grand social gatherings. Scene shifts to a vast estate with well-kept gardens and servants attending to daily tasks. Narrator: Residing in a stately manner, the Earl oversaw vast lands, ensuring prosperity for his tenants. His estate was a symbol of wealth and power. Decorated with fine art, expensive furniture, and libraries filled with rare books, scene transitions to a political assembly, where the Earl engages in discussions with fellow peers. Narrator: Beyond his estates, the Earl played a crucial role in British governance. Holding the title of Chief Secretary for Ireland, he was responsible for administrative decisions, balancing the interests of the Crown in Irish affairs. His position demanded intelligence, diplomacy, and strategic decision-making. Scene cuts to a grand ballroom, where aristocrats are seen dancing and conversing. Narrator: Social life was equally essential. Lavish banquets, hunting expeditions, and elegant soirees were common. The Earl entertained guests with fine wines, exquisite cuisine, and discussions on politics, art, and philosophy. Scene fades as the Earl retires to his study, writing correspondence by candlelight. Narrator: Though privileged, his life was not without challenges. Political rivalries, social expectations, and colonial responsibilities weighed heavily. Yet, as an earl, his legacy was one of power, prestige, and enduring influence. Screen fades to black. End.